One of these on the back again. Snug her down. Put the hinge brackets on the opposite side, and right here is the whatever the lock, just so you can figure out which side I'm on. And we have to pre-drill for these as well, so snug them up and drill some holes. Next we're going to put the lid on, and we're going to put the top part of the hinge right here. I'm going to put it on top and slide it up so I can get room to put that on there. Again, we have to drill and put the screw and the black bracket through. There are indentions here that show you where to drill the holes. I'm just using this to make sure it's 100% accurate. Black things on the back of all these and snug them down. Okay, the final step is to put the latch hook, whatever you want to call it, on the front of this on both sides. Pre-drill. Ouch. black things again on the back. These little black things are probably the hardest part of this whole assembly, but they're not horribly bad. Your fingers will be a little sore after you're done. At least mine were. Are. Okay, so that's it. Look down inside. It's all assembled. That bar does definitely. That is to help mix it and to put air into. See the little air holes, and if you look around here on the side, you can see all the way through here. Where's it at? Right there. You can see all the way through, so that is how air gets into the tumbler. Once you put everything in, you just snap those latches down. Come over here, release the, or pull the lock back and put it in there where it stays back, and then turn it with ease. And lock it back when you're done. Okay, so that's it. I've finished assembling the Lifetime 80-gallon compost tumbler. Give yourself probably at least an hour to two if you're going to do this. Make sure you have 2 people. It does come with a fairly lengthy and detailed instruction manual, so make sure you follow it closely. Follow their instructions on there. You know, 2 people are supposed to be doing this. I did it most of the time with my wife's help, and she was holding the camera as well. Make sure you wear safety goggles. I wore sunglasses. Those, you know, wear something to protect your eyes. Just follow all their guidelines and safety procedures, and you'll be fine. So it's not a super hard assembly, but like I said, this is just the way I did it. Don't follow my advice, follow their instructions, and you'll be fine. I just wanted to show you how I put it together, and I'll show you some more videos on how I'm going to use it and place it in my yard and stuff later on. Thanks. Bye.